Hey guys, how are you all doing today? Today is Saturday morning in the Gambia, so greetings from the Gambia. I decided to go to the village this weekend, but it's raining so heavy that I've just decided to stay in today. So I'm going to share with you what it looks like when it's actually raining in the Gambia. Have a great day. One love.
Yes, August this year is bringing a lot of rain. Live and direct from Aljamdu. Today, the 20th of August 2022. Very cloudy and still raining. Non-stop. Non-stop. So you see, this is August. This year, a lot of houses will flood, a lot of houses will fall, people's homes will be overflooded with rainwater. That's our sad reality. 20th August 2022 and still counting. August has always brought heavy rainfall, but this year's August is the worst, causing a lot of flooding all over. I'm sitting under my hut. I could not go nowhere.